Having trouble with Boost mobile payments? You're not alone. Common issues include declined transactions, billing errors like double charging, and account freezes. These often stem from app glitches after the early 2025 update that integrated new payment gateways, outdated systems, and integration problems after the Dish network acquisition. High server load during peak hours, especially on weekends, can also cause problems. Rural users may face more issues due to weaker network infrastructure. Don't panic. There are ways to troubleshoot and fix most problems yourself. First, check the basics. Ensure your card isn't expired, has sufficient funds, and that you've entered the correct information. Second, troubleshoot the app. Clear the app cache and data. Update the app to the newest version. Try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Third, try different payment methods. If one fails, switch to another like credit debit card, PayPal, or digital wallet. Consider visiting a Boost mobile store for in-person top-ups. Fourth, pay attention to timing. Avoid peak hours and try payments between 2 to 4 a.m. EST. Finally, contact Boost support. Use the app chat or call 1-888-266-7848 for manual assistance. Always monitor your account, report discrepancies immediately, and enable two-factor authentication to protect against fraud.